Yeah, that is true. SCI is bringing their own feeder vessel. It's called as SCI Mumbai. And after all this long months of struggle and all these things, we have been continuously following with the various feeder operators and liners. And now SCI has agreed and they are calling. It's on 20th November, so it's a big day for all us Goans and for the industries, because we are all been waiting for this for long. Because last vessel which called was during 2018. Since then there was no any container vessel, and people what they started moving through by roads to Navsheva.
वेगवेगळ्या फिडर ऑपरेटरांकडेन फाटपुरवण केल्या उपरांत ही सुदारणा जाल्या. हें जाल्ल्यान रस्त्यावेली येरादारी उणी जातली आनी वेवसायिकांचो खर्च खूब उणो जातलो अशें डेल्टाच्या वेवस्थापकान म्हळां.
We want, and when they are moving out by road, they are spending a lot of money, like approximately around 70-80,000 and for dry, and for more than a lakh for reefer. So when this service starts, they will be saving almost 60% of the road transportation, and the connectivity is not to Navsheva. It is going to from Goa. It is going directly to Mundra, and it's only 2 day sailing.
This container cargo will be handled on berth number
10 and
11 exclusively.
Exclusively 10 and 11.
So it is going to be Delta operations entirely,
Yes,
or
yes.
part with MPT.
No. Delta is going to be handling it. MPA is only going to take care of the marine operations like berthing, unberthing, like that.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.